In a story you'll see only on West 2, a Central Florida mother who lost her son to a fentanyl overdose is trying to stop a bill from reaching the governor's desk.
Earlier this week, Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill that would require hospitals to test some patients for fentanyl. But she says a second bill passed by the legislature removes critical language that would help in overdose investigations. West 2 Investigates' Justin Shecker sat down with that mother of Gage Taylor today and joins us live with her call for action. Justin?
Gretchen Murray says she wants Gage's law to be her son's legacy. She's hopeful the new hospital fentanyl testing law signed this week by Governor DeSantis will help save lives. But she worries another bill headed to the governor's desk doesn't help law enforcement hold drug dealers accountable.
It was terrifying.
Gage Austin Taylor died of a fentanyl overdose in Orlando in September 2022. He was 29 years old and Gretchen Murray's only son.
These were the purple ribbons that we wore when Gage's law went to the House and Senate floor a couple weeks ago, and it represents overdose and poisoning awareness.
In mid-April, both chambers unanimously passed Gage's law, which in cases of suspected overdoses requires hospitals to both test for fentanyl in urine and then perform a blood confirmation test.
It was incredible to watch the process and to watch them all working together as a whole in order to truly make a difference.
On Wednesday, Murray contacted West 2 Investigates after posting a long plea on Facebook urging Governor Ron DeSantis to veto Senate Bill 68, an act related to health facilities. Murray says she's concerned language in the Senate bill removed the word must and replaced it with hospitals may do the confirmation test.
Because one of the three main purposes for this bill was to give law enforcement that initial confirmation, the quantification of how much fentanyl is in someone's system.
The bill's sponsor, Senator Jonathan Martin from Lee County, tells West 2 Investigates, this language allows medical providers to do their job to save lives. It maintains the mandate established under Gage's law to require a fentanyl test for those patients potentially suffering of a drug overdose, and instead of mandating a second test, it permits doctors to pursue a course of treatment or additional testing based on the individual circumstances affecting their patient. As Murray awaits a decision from the governor, she says she applauds the work of Orlando police during the investigation into her son's overdose death.
Our detective worked relentlessly trying to get what they needed to proceed forward with more charges for the homicide other than just the simple sale and delivery charges that were initially filed.
Another lawmaker, State Rep Vanessa Oliver, told me cost concerns for hospitals was a factor in the bill's language changing, but she told me the expectation is that hospitals will still cooperate with law enforcement if they request that blood test for fentanyl. Now, she also gave kudos to Gage's mom, saying she believes that new law will still help save lives. We have reached out multiple times to the governor's office, but at this hour, still no word whether he plans to sign or veto that bill. I'm Justin Shecker, West 2 Investigates.